Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can bring your Instagram stories to life with a dancing avatar. So if you guys are new, there's this feature where you can add your dancing avatar to Instagram stories. So you can just basically add music and then add your avatar. And if you want to know the steps, just watch this video until the end. First, let's open the Instagram app. And then you can start by clicking on this plus icon to open the Instagram story camera. And in here, you can just select a background for your Instagram stories. For example, in here, I'm going to find a photo. Okay, I'm going to use this photos right here, for example. Now you can just tap on the music icon at the top, this one. Then choose the song that you want to add to your Instagram stories. For example, I'm going to add this songs right here. And now here you can just click on this avatar to change it. And here you'll see the dancing avatar. You can change how the music look like by swiping or clicking on this. For example, I'm going to go with this rotating vinyl record, and here the dancing avatar will be placed at the top. You can now tap on done. If you want to, you can also reposition your dancing avatar. You can put it in the middle just like this. You can also enlarge it and also make it smaller if you want to. For example, I'm going to put it in here, and now my story will look like this. If you are done, you can just click on your story. But if you want to, let's say, change the song, you can tap on the music icon at the top in here, and then you can change the song by deleting it, or you can just drag the vinyl in here to delete it and tap on the music icon again and change to the one that you want. And now it will be changed. So you can now just upload the story, and that's all. That's how you can add your dancing avatar, or you can create a dancing avatar for Instagram stories. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.